Okay, so here is the best way on how to update your iPhone fast and easy. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how you can update it. So it's very easy updating your iPhone. What you need to do is just simply head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, what you simply need to do is just simply go ahead and open up general. And once inside general here, as you can see, you'll see the option of software. Just go ahead and press on software update. And you got an option right over here for automatic updates. So if it's turned on, your iPhone will automatically update, when it's the time, and it will just tell you an alarm for it that your iPhone's gonna update. So here, as you can see, for me it's checking update. It basically depends on your internet as well. If your internet is slow, it's gonna be on checking updates. And here, as you can see, I do have an update right now, and if I press on update, I'll be update now. Or if I want to upgrade to another iOS, I can upgrade to that as well. And here, as you can see, yeah, it's like that. So I can just do that as well. But yeah, so this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you. I'll see you soon in the next one.